Today our focus is on the data analysis of EI lab topology. This is the complete EI lab topology diagram, which mainly examines the candidate's deploy, operate, and optimize capabilities, referred to as DOO, which mainly configure from routing and switching, SDA and SD1, and programming. And this part belongs to HQ category, and this module belongs to DC category, and the module on the right belongs to IaaS, and the SP1 and SP2 are connected, and the corresponding 4 branches, branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, and branch 4 are below the SP. So, among them, this module is the routing and switching part, which first realize the whole network communication, and this module examines the SDA and SD1 technology, and mainly manages and configures the equipment of the local area network and wide area network in a unified manner. And the right part is our programming. Programming is relatively simple for sports students. So, this is the complete routing and switching topology, which requires us to accurately ensure that the phenomenon of each requirement can occur normally. So, if there is a problem with the routing and switching part, it will directly affect the SDN module. And routing and switching mainly assess candidates through artificial configuration and multiple choice questions. So today we mainly explain the relevant knowledge points and their application in EI lab. So, in the scope of HQ, the main technology involved the EtherChannel and spanning tree and OSPF and BFD, VRP, SLA, DHCP, and EIGRP, and so on. So, today we mainly give technical explanations of EtherChannel. So, let's first introduce the EtherChannel technology. So, we can know the EtherChannel is aggregate multiple similar links into the logic link, and it can realize the load redundancy, increase bandwidth, and EtherChannel is a commonly used technology at the aggregation layer and core layer. So, also we all know that EtherChannel has 2 working modes, PAGP mode and LACP mode. We see that PAGP mode belongs to Cisco's private protocol, and the LACP belongs to the public standards. So, we must know the principle of EtherChannel. PAGP has 2 negotiation modes, O2 and desirable. So, O2 mode means places a port into a passive negotiating state, in which the port responds to PAGP packet it receives but doesn't start PAGP packet negotiation. So this setting minimizes the transmission of PAGP packet. And the desirable mode means that places a port into an active negotiating state, in which the port starts negotiations with the other port by sending PAGP packet. And also, another mode, LACP, also has two negotiation modes, include active mode and passive mode. Active mode means that places a port into an active negotiating state, in which the port starts negotiations with other port by sending LACP packet. And passive mode means that places a port into a passive negotiating state, in which the port responds to LACP packet that it receives, but doesn't start LACP packet negotiation. So this setting minimizes the transmission of LACP packet. And another mode is EtherChannel on mode. This mode on mode is to forcing join EtherChannel without negotiation. It is used when the peer interface doesn't support PAGP or LACP, and the peer must also be in on mode, and the interfaces joining the same group of EtherChannels need to have the same interface parameters, such as rate and duplex type. If the parameters are different, EtherChannel cannot be formed even if the on mode is used. So we can say that the table is the mode negotiation of EtherChannel. All true and desirable can be successfully negotiated, and the desirable can be successfully aggregated, and these two modes belongs to PAGP, and the active and passive belongs to LACP. The active mode both negotiate successfully, and passive mode and active mode also can be negotiated successfully. And if both devices are configured in on mode, they can also negotiate normally. So this is the EtherChannel negotiate mode. Okay, so we can see also that this is the EtherChannel's configuration command. So we need to enter the switch interface and specify the corresponding aggregation group ID.